Hi, I'm April with WTI. Different rooms require different lighting at different times, and that's where the right choice of smart shade really comes in handy. These are the day-night shades from Graywind, and they do just that. I love that they provide such a large range of shade from delicate soft light all the way to my favorite, the blackout. With just the push of a button, or sometimes I prefer to tap on the app on my phone, or a few words to my smart hub. Hey Google, lower the night shades. You get it. There are several different ways to control these shades. But I'm not done yet. Did I mention how easy it is to program different schedules through all of them? Anyways, the best part is that they are solar panel charging, so cord-free and always charged. The packaging was great, installation was super easy, including the solar panel. Just peel and stick and plug it in. It's done. I really enjoy the ability to control my lighting without compromising my privacy. These shades give me so many options, and I just think that they're awesome, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.